Hi everyone, welcome back to English Talks Academy.
Hello, we are so happy you're here.
I'm David.
And I'm Megan.
Today, we're going to have a very natural English conversation.
Yes, we're talking about something many people remember.
Our topic is your favorite memory from high school.
Maybe your memory is funny,
Maybe it's happy.
or maybe it's a little emotional.
Let's start talking.
David, do you ever miss high school?
Sometimes I do.
Really?
Yes, not every day. I don't miss the homework,
Me neither.
but I do miss my friends.
That's true. Life felt a little simpler back then.
Exactly. We didn't worry so much.
We worried about math tests.
Oh, yes, and history quizzes.
I was always nervous before a big test.
Same here, but after the test, everyone felt so relaxed.
Then we would go out for burgers or pizza.
That was the best feeling.
So, what is your favorite memory from high school?
That's a good question.
Take your time.
I think my favorite memory happened during my senior year.
Oh, tell me more.
Our school had a talent show.
Did you perform?
I did.
Really? I didn't expect that.
Neither did my parents.
What did you do?
I played the guitar.
Wow, were you good?
I was okay.
Just okay?
Let's say I didn't become a rock star.
That's funny.
I was very nervous before walking onto the stage.
I can imagine.
My hands were shaking.
Did you make any mistakes?
Yes, a few.
Oh no.
But something nice happened.
What happened?
My friends started clapping.
That's so sweet.
They smiled at me.
That must have helped.
It really did.
Did you finish the song?
Yes,
How did everyone react?
they cheered loudly.
That's amazing.
I'll never forget that moment.
It sounds like a wonderful memory.
It taught me something important.
What was that?
Good friends give you confidence.
I completely agree.
Do you agree, David?
What about you? My favorite memory is much quieter.
Really?
Yes.
I'm listening.
Every Friday after school, my best friend and I stayed in the school library.
The library?
Yes.
That's unexpected.
People think the library is boring.
Sometimes it is.
Maybe.
So why did you go there?
We loved reading.
Nice.
But we also loved talking.
So you probably talked more than you read.
That's exactly right.
I knew it.
We would sit near the window.
That sounds peaceful.
We talked about school.
Okay.
We talked about our dreams.
Like what?
College.
Sure.
Future jobs.
Nice. Traveling around the world. Did you travel?
Not yet.
There's still time.
I hope so.
Those conversations must have been special.
They really were.
Are you still friends?
Yes.
That's wonderful.
We don't talk every day now.
Life gets busy.
Exactly.
But when we meet, it feels like nothing has changed.
That's the sign of a true friend.
High school friendships can be very strong.
They really can.
Did you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, I did.
What was she like?
She was kind.
That's nice.
She always encouraged us.
I like teachers like that.
She believed every student could improve.
That's a wonderful attitude.
She never laughed at mistakes.
That's important.
She said, mistakes help you learn.
I still believe that today.
Me too.
My favorite teacher taught science.
Did you enjoy science?
Honestly,
Go ahead. Let me guess.
go ahead.
No.
You're right.
I knew it.
Science wasn't my favorite subject
Then why was he your favorite teacher?
because he made learning fun.
That makes a big difference.
He always smiled.
That's nice.
He told funny jokes before class.
Good teachers are unforgettable.
Absolutely.
Did you ever skip class?
Nice try.
Come on, tell the truth.
No, I was too scared.
Me too.
I followed the rules.
Most of the time.
Wait, what does that mean?
Nothing.
That sounds suspicious.
Maybe I was late once or twice.
Only twice?
Okay, maybe a few more times.
That's funny.
I wasn't perfect.
Nobody is.
Looking back, what do you miss the most?
I miss seeing my friends every day.
Same. Now everyone lives in different places.
Life changes,
Yes, it does.
but memories stay with us.
That's true.
Sometimes I see an old yearbook.
Oh, I love yearbooks.
Then I remember everyone's faces,
And all the little moments,
even the silly ones.
especially the silly ones.
Those memories always make me smile.
Me too.
If you could go back to high school for one day, would you?
Just one day?
Yes.
I think I would.
Why?
I would spend more time with my friends.
That's a great answer.
I would also thank my teachers again.
That's very thoughtful.
What about you?
I would play that guitar song one more time.
Would you still be nervous?
Maybe a little.
But now you know you can do it.
That's true.
Experience gives us confidence.
It really does.
Every high school memory is different.
Some are funny.
Some are emotional.
Some are simple.
But they all teach us something.
Maybe your favorite memory is about a friend.
Or a teacher.
Or a sports game.
Or even eating lunch with classmates.
Small moments can become big memories.
That's a beautiful thought.
Thanks.
Thanks for sharing your story today.
Thank you for sharing yours.
And thank you for listening.
We hope this conversation helped you learn natural English.
Remember, learning English gets easier when you listen to real conversations.
Keep practicing a little every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.